Today I'm diving into this quick tutorial on NumPy, a library for data science and machine learning. If you want to speed up your number crunching in Python, this is the tool you'll need. NumPy is incredibly fast compared to Python lists or loops thanks to its powerful array operations and built-in functions. Let's get started with the basics and explore some key features in just a few minutes. If you haven't installed NumPy yet, simply use pip install NumPy or get it. NumPy is a core component for many data science tasks in your Python script. Import NumPy with import NumPy as NP. This convention NP is widely used in the Python community. Now let's create some simple NumPy arrays. This simple code creates an array of 3 elements set to 0. This is useful when you need an array with known sizes and some default values. If you want to fill in your array with ones, simply instead np.ones. This will create an array of a certain number and every element will be initialized to 1.0. This is useful when you need a matrix of ones for various calculations. If you plan to populate the array with your own data, simply use npm. This initializes the values to whatever was previously in that memory location. Now let's use a line space array. This line space array will generate an array with 5 evenly spaced elements between 2 and 10. This is particularly useful for creating ranges of numbers for plots or simulations. We can also create arrays from Python lists. This is useful when you have data in a list format that you want to manipulate using NumPy array operations. You can also create multi-dimensional arrays from lists of lists. Now let's go over some useful NumPy functions. Array.shape returns the dimensions of the array as a tuple of rows and columns. This helps you understand the structure of your data, which is essential for manipulating and analyzing effectively. This also works on photos. Running this command will give you the dimensions of a photo using NumPy. You can use different functions like np.sum, which can calculate the sum of all elements, np.min, which will compute the average value, npmax, which finds the maximum value, and npmin, which finds the minimum value. You can also create masks for your arrays. Simply create a Boolean mask, where elements are greater than for example 3. This will set the elements in your array to either true or false. We can also perform simple operations between arrays. Array 1 plus array 2 performs element-wise addition. Array times 10 will multiply each element of an array by 10. And this is everything you'll need to get started with NumPy.
Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials.